Then he says, okay, excellent, this is a great news. So I will go ahead and get all the arrangements needed for the wedding to happen. Now the Swayamvaram happened, but the wedding has to happen, right? So he says that, okay, I'll go and get the arrangements made for the wedding. And then this guy, Dharmaraja, says, yeah, you can get the arrangements done for the wedding, but the point is, all five of us want to get married to Draupadi. He says that. Drupada Maharaja lost it at this point. Drupada Maharaja is like, are you guys out of your minds or what? In your lifetime, have you ever seen or heard of a situation where a woman is getting married to multiple people, multiple men? The other way around is a possibility. The other way around, there are a ton of examples. That is a norm in the society. But this is not a norm in the society. And what are you guys asking about? And people say that you are Dharmaraja and you, whatever comes to your mind, your brain doesn't even entertain any thoughts that are not in alignment with dharma. And so, is this your dharma? What are you even talking about? Then Dharmaraja says, oh no, if you need examples from the past where a girl got married to multiple men, I have ton of examples. Back in the day, there is a girl called Jatila who got married to 10 people. And there is another example somewhere, some other female got married to 7 Gandharvas. So then Drupada Maharaja says, enough of it, stop. There are 1 or 2 examples here and there, and based on that, I cannot give away my daughter to 5 people. And imagine what kind of things the society will say towards my daughter. And I wouldn't put my daughter in this kind of a difficult situation where she has to justify this marrying multiple men and all of that. And then the argument and then the discussion keeps going on. Dharmaraja tries to convince. After a while, he's like, I can't do it anymore. Guys, enough of it. I had so much today. In the last couple of days, it's been a roller coaster ride for me. First, you guys popped up from nowhere and you did this Matsya Yantra thing, and then all the entire Kshatriya community came and fought with me. That war happened, and then now you guys are coming and telling me that you are Pandavas, and my blood pressure is like shooting up. I can't take this anymore. Let's go. Let us rest. I have like assigned some palaces to you. You go, take a shower. Go to bed, sleep. Tomorrow morning, we will come freshly, talk with a clear mind. Now, today, I'm not able to think about anything. Enough is enough. So that's what he says. Because it's mind-blowing, right? Nobody can understand what is going on in the mind of Dharmaraja. And all the 4 brothers are also silent about it. Nobody is saying anything against Dharmaraja. And this guy, Dharmaraja, is constantly talking about all the 5 getting married to one person. So at that point of time, everybody takes a break. Drupada Maharaja goes back to his palace. He takes a hot bath and then goes to bed. That's it for the night. He had enough of it. Then